Hello viewers, I am the graduate of truth. Happy independence to all patriotic Nigerians. I want to celebrate Nigerian independence. But first of all, I want to celebrate a great leader of our time, in the person of President Muhammadu Buhari. Because you cannot celebrate a country without celebrating a great leader. So I want to celebrate the country and also our leader. And I will also celebrate all the patriotic Nigerians, leaders who have done so much for this country. And my video or my air is based on Buhari's achievements. I want to list some of his achievements so far, just few. Based on infrastructure level, Buhari have done so much on infrastructure aspects, like railway projects, Abuja Metro Railway, Abuja Kaduna Railway, Ajokuta Warri Railway, Lagos Ibadan Railway, and others. Not forgetting the Second Niger Bridge, Lagos Ibadan Expressway, Abuja Kaduna Zaria Kano Expressway, construction of Loko Owetu Bridge over River Benue, dualization of Abuja Lokoja Road, dualization of Suleja Mina in Niger State, dualization of Kefi Lokoja in Kogi State, dualization of Benin Expressway, dualization of Kano Medugri roads that link to Kano, Jigawa, Bauchi, Yobe and Borno, dualization of Kano Katsina road, construction of Kaduna Eastern Bypass, the rehabilitation of Enugu Onitsha Expressway, rehabilitation of Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway, dualization of Kolo Otuoke in Bayelsa State, and so many other infrastructures that I cannot be able to mention, done by President Muhammadu Buhari. President Muhammadu Buhari also have done so much in international relationship with other countries. We have built a strong relationship with countries around the world like United States, the United Kingdom, Brazil, Germany, France. Even in Africa, we have South Africa, Cameroon, Niger, Chad, Cameroon, and so many countries that have been in good relations with Nigeria. This is a great achievement by this great leader. In terms of insecurity in the country, Muhammadu Buhari have done so much to fight Boko Haram since he assumed office in 2015. He also introduced Operation Windstroke in North Central to tackle insurgents. Operation X Shoot Response in borders across the country, and other operational groups like Quick Response Wing and so forth to tackle insurgents in the country. We have also introduced or approved the recruitment of over 10,000 armies, soldiers and police in order to combat insurgents in the country. This is a great achievement of our great leader. I want to also celebrate Buhari administration transparency in terms of governance. His transparency and anti-corruption is second to none. He introduced whistle-blowing policy that have helped recovered over $2 billion looted in the country. This is a great achievement. Under Buhari administration, EFCC have recovered over 2 trillion naira and over 100 properties and assets since he assumed office in 2015. Under Buhari, ICPC have recovered over 40 billion and loss of properties. This is a great achievement of this great leader of our time. Under the healthcare service, President Muhammadu Buhari administration have done so much. They have introduced and initiated a program of saving 1 million lives all over the country and issuing of minimum of $2.5 million to each state to tackle healthcare activities. They have also upgraded all the federal medical centers in the country to all 36 states and the capital under the tertiary healthcare upgrade program by Muhammadu Buhari administration. In terms of education, the Buhari administration have disbursed more than 170 billion to UPE all over the country since 2015. What a great leader of our time. He also approved special grants to education across the states. Under his achievements, University of Maritime in Delta was established. Nigerian Army University in Borno was also established. 6 College of Education was established in 6 political zones across the country. This is what it means to celebrate a country. Buhari government have also invested in people by providing job opportunities, empower programs, giving grants from 50,000 to 350,000, free interest rates. This is a government. This is what we call a good governance. More than 2.3 million people have benefited in the federal loans, and more than 500,000 people have been benefited from COVID-19 loan. In agriculture, Buhari have also done great in the agricultural sector of the country. He introduced Anchor Borrowers Program, which have benefited more than 1.5 million farmers, and more than 200 billion has been disbursed. He also introduced presidential fertilizer program to help agricultural aspects in the country. Not forgetting the homegrown feeding program, which had been on since 2016. He also introduced what we call livelihood improvement family enterprise to tackle poverty in the country. This is what we mean by government. There are many other achievements by President Muhammadu Buhari, but I just mentioned few to celebrate him and to celebrate the country independence. Once more, congratulations to all those who support this government, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. May God bless President Muhammadu Buhari and all the leaders who have fought so hard to make this country witness the 60th birthday. Thanks for all patriotic Nigerians. May God bless you also for your support, love for the country. God bless you. I still remain your brother, the graduate of truth. One love, one country, one nation.